Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be checking out probably one of the best EDC flashlights on the market right now. So this is the Huben G5, and this has been out for around a year for now. And I just got my hands on it, and then especially this is their like limited edition yellow colorway option going on. And like this thing is a beast. So before this, my everyday carry was the Soho Front SE-1, which is also pretty good, but this was 300 lumens in turbo mode, but it will actually throttle itself down to like 100 lumens. This is 400 lumens of peak brightness in turbo mode. But of course, these are small flashlights. They really can't handle that heat. So this will actually throttle itself down to 270 lumens, a sustained output, which is still pretty good for this. And let's first of all go over with the design. So we do have the rotating head, which like this rotates, and you will actually hear a click once it actually rotates into place, and it actually feels really satisfying. We do have some heat sinks in the back here, and we do have this clip, which actually also changes direction. So right now, see here, I can pull this out, push in like this. And one thing I really would like to recommend is I seen that once it's like this, people will just force this away like this, push it in like this. But in my use, this has actually caused a little bit of paint peeling off. So you do actually have to like hold this with your two fingers like this on both sides, pull it out and twist it in. So that way, once you're actually twisting this, it like actually doesn't hit this edge and cause the paint to peel off. Um, and here we do have a magnetic base. We do have a lanyard in here, and then it actually comes included with the box. So here it's actually going through how long it should last. And the lowest mode, this will actually last close to like around 65 max runtime, which is pretty crazy. This says on the box. And of course, this also comes with a Type C to USB-A cable for charging, and as well as this lanyard. And it does say Wuben on it. It's really nice quality. I would actually recommend putting it on. But the thing is, look at the flashlight and look at this lanyard itself. And for example, this is my hand right now, and this is the flashlight itself. So look at all this space over here. So this thing is pretty small, and it's also really cute, to be honest. So the lanyard loop goes over here if you do want to put this on. But to turn this on, we do have an unlock function. So if we put into lock function, if you if I should press on it, it wouldn't turn on. So if it's in a pocket, you don't want it to accidentally turn on. This is really good. So once I put it into light mode or in the charging, and if I just put it over here, that will actually reveal the USB-C port. So this is actually rain resistant. So of course, this is not recommended to be submerged into water, but this is IP65 um, water resistance, and it's also 1 meter drop resistance. So we do have a full aluminum body here. So once I put it into light mode, I can turn this on, and it will automatically go into the same light mode which was selected before. And then I can actually use this knob here to actually go through the different brightness levels that we have. And once you have actually reached the maximum one, it will actually blink like this to actually let you know that we are in the most brightest option. But let's say it's like somewhere in the middle. I could come over here and just press this twice, and it will automatically go into turbo mode. There you go. This is now turbo mode, the maximum amount. So in turbo mode, once again, 400 lumens of peak brightness, and it will actually be there for like around maybe a minute at most. Then it will like begin to throttle itself down to like a sustained 275 lumens, and the runtime on that is 50 minutes. That's pretty crazy. And for example, my SE-1's sustained maximum runtime is only around 5 minutes at most. So that's a pretty good upgrade. And once again, if I actually press and hold like this, then this will actually go into the color mode, the RGB mode. So then I can actually go through, press and hold. There you go. Now we're in the RGB mode. I can actually use this knob over here to go through the different RGB modes. So we have pretty good colors going on here. And if I rotate the head here, you can see them pretty good, just like that. And if I press this twice, then this will actually go into a strobe function with the colorway. So it's going to go through all those different colors in the strobe function. And if I press here, it turns off. And now once I turn it on, it's gonna actually be in the color mode because it actually has a built-in memory to actually know where it was the last time the flashlight was turned off. Press and hold again. We have the regular white light back on. Okay, so here right now I'm actually outside and it's actually pretty dark, but the camera has a light enhancing feature just turning on. But now this is the low mode activated here. As you can see, it's really not that bright, but if I double tap on it to go into turbo mode, and now look at that. So this is in turbo mode. Once again, let me turn it off. This is off. And this is back on. And for example, if you're going on a walk every day, this has more than enough power for you. But not only for that, but also for EDC tasks. So overall, this thing is pretty bright. So here you go, I'm here in the back alleyway. And 3, 2, 1, turbo mode is now activated. And now look at this. So once again, I will highly recommend this is like super bright, especially if you're going on like a night walk like I do every day. And this will actually last you a really long time after. So me using this every day, it easily lasts me around 50 minutes. So I like go on a 10-minute walk. I don't even need to charge this for around a week at all. So the link will be down below. Please do go check it out.